Either. Not picky. Okay.
Coming to your starboard.
Okay, give Larry a little deep jigging lesson.
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna pull up. You're gonna let your line free spool. Drop it down the bottom. You're gonna feel it when it hits the bottom. Once it hits, hold your rod, but keep your rod with the length of your. You don't want it sticking straight out because it might pull you over.
Okay, like this.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Once it hits bottom, click it, reel as fast as you, really fast retrieve.
Up about 3 feet?
Huh?
Up 3 feet or all the
No,
way?
you bring it up about 100 feet.
Okay, once you hit
Fast.
the bottom.
Here, if you watch me, and just a little bit of, go ahead, drop.
Okay.
Drop her down, man, let her go. You'll notice it slows up. You'll know you're on the bottom. Once you hit bottom like this,
Yeah.
see I'm hooked up. See how fast that was? Oh, bam! Okay. You gotta reel like crazy. You gotta get them up because there's a wreck nearby. They're gonna try to take you into it, so don't play with these fish.
How many feet you reel it up initially?
100 feet. But as soon as did you hit bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, kind of whip it real fast. You're gonna reel it up fast. Huh?
I got him.
Okay.
Whatever it is.
Reel him. Get it double.
Jeez. Oh, this thing's a monster. God damn.
Bring him up. There you go.
That was at the bottom of here.
Got a double. Yeah.
Oh my God.
What did I tell you? They're coming up on the wreck, so try to horse them up best you can.
What is this thing?
Probably an amberjack. Could be a grouper. Bring him up, man. Hold that rod. Joe, we're double. What? Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Don't give him no slack. Just gotta keep. If you think you got him beat, keep bringing him up. Because they'll take you back down. They'll get a second wind and a heartbeat. And they'll take you back down on that wreck. They don't give up. Oh. What if Joe ever hooked up? He's cursed.
Okay.
So,
Here.
huh?
Over?
You got it?
Yeah.
I can't help you right now. Maybe Joe can. What do you got, Jack?
Yeah, maybe I can bring him in.
Huh?
Little lipper.
Smaller one.
Oh, geez, Lee, yeah, you went off anyway.
Was it a bonita or a jack?
I don't know.
It pulled, huh?
Yeah, you know, the final 6 inches.
You're good at releasing fish at the kayak.
Yeah, what was he going to do with it anyway?
Depending on what it was. It might be.
Drop it again?
Huh?
So drop it again and go back.
Oh, you can drop now. We're past it, but go ahead. There we go. Woo! Yes, smoke. One for the smoker.
What is that?
Amberjack. Usually like to bring them on the other side.
What you got, B?
Hey, Jay.
I got an amberjack.
We had a double. Both dropped down, bam, at the same time.
I I got broke off on the other one.
Yeah. Fish?
Huh?
Fish?
Yeah. Snap the line. That's a big boy.
Yeah, it is. Good size.
You still got yours on there, right?
His came off at the kayak.
I got a
There we go.
lure.
Ah.
Bring him up yet? Yeah, I did. I got him right up to the surface and getting ready to lip him. He was about 2 feet, I don't know, 10 pounds. He fell off.
Woo!
Oh, it's gone? Yeah. I'm just going to go back and head out due east, right?
Yeah, just head due east. I'll catch up with you.
I like that battle. When you get him near the surface, you just let him stay there. You don't lift him out. You try and grab him with the lipper.
Yeah, I like to get him with the lipper. And if you look at my lip grip, it has like a bungee cord attached to it.
Yeah.
So I can let the fish go. I can secure my rod if it's really big. And this thing is it's going to swim around with this in its mouth. And sometimes as a fish I'm going to release, I can just release it and never leave it from the water with this in its mouth. But with this cord on there, it ain't going nowhere. Great for offshore because sometimes you got a big fish, it's hard to control.
Nah, yeah.
Woo!
How far is it?
Huh?